Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I have got for you a Primark haul. I hardly ever go to Primark to go shopping actually, but I really wanted to pop into our brand new store. It opened probably around December time actually, but because I wanted to avoid the Christmas kind of like chaos, I decided to pop in this morning while I had a bit of free time, and it was so quiet. I mean, it was only like 9:30, but I was able to have a really good look around the store, and I picked up a couple of pieces, like little bits and bobs, some clothes, some gym wear, like just this and that, which I'll show you now in my haul. I sort of found everything that I was kind of looking for in a way. I will show you what I got, and I'm sure in your local store there'll be the same things as well, so you can go and shop everything. So let's see what's in the bag. So currently at the moment in Primark there is a sale on, and I really wanted some new scrunchies actually. I'm always losing my hairbands and stuff, so they had these really lovely like coloured ones. There's some kind of like autumnal colours there, but also some spring colours too. So these were reduced from £2 to £1. What a bargain. 3 scrunchies for £1. I love wearing them like just in my hair if I'm having a shower and stuff, so yeah, they were a bargain. Next up I picked up some more cosmetic pads. These were only 90p, and yeah, I generally tend to use these every day to take off my makeup and stuff like that, so essential and a good price. So next up I picked up some gym wear. This is a like gym top. It's got kind of like holes down the side, and then the back of it is really cute. It's got an inbuilt sports bra, and then it's got this kind of open back, which I thought was really nice, and also it's high necked. I don't have like the biggest bust, but I do really like wearing like high necked clothes because I find that they just suit me more, and they just give a little bit of extra support if it's needed. So yeah, I was really excited to pick that up. This is the new collection actually from the blogger Alice, I want to say Living, and I actually got to go with that the Ching gym leggings. These are high-waisted with like a really thick band around the top, and they've got like the kind of holy look as well, and they're kind of, they go all the way down to your ankles, and then they've got this sort of you can see it like a scalloped edging, so they're really sweet. These ones were £12 and the top was £8, so I kind of think for the sake of like a full set of gym wear for 20 quid, like what a bargain. I got those, and then I also got one more thing as well from the new collection, and it was these leggings. So these are a bit out of my comfort zone actually. I really love just wearing black in the gym. Not that I really go to the gym anymore. We have a gym in our garage, so I kind of just go in there now and again and do a couple of things and say I go to the gym. But I do like kind of wearing gym wear around the house. I find it really comfortable, and then occasionally I'll go and work out. Working out is something that I'm really wanting to do more of this year, so having some new gym wear that's really comfortable and breathable and something that I feel like stylish in is important to me. So I picked up these ones. They're kind of got they're sort of a nudie colour with then some pink stripes at the bottom. They're really soft as well, and these ones were only £10. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying them, and again they've got the really high waistband. They did also have a matching top to go with these two, but I sort of stopped there with the gym wear before I got a bit too carried away. Okay, so next up I picked up some new hangers today. I got these sort of like velvet ones. They're like non-slip clothing. We are building a new wardrobe in our spare bedroom next week, so we need some extra hangers. These are always good and cheap, so they're 10, you get 10 hangers for £3.50, and I just really liked the gold on them, and I just liked the simplicity of the colour. They did also have them in black, all black, so they had black and then black hangers, and then they had them in pink with rose gold as well, but considering it's going to be my other half using the wardrobe, I didn't want to brand him with pink ones as much as I love them. Okay. Next up, while I was kind of in the somewhat small homeware section, they did have a couple of like little bits that I needed for the house. So they had these Mrs. Hinch sort of dupes, and they were £2, so they were £1 each. A bargain. I'll get through them. I generally use these sorts of things every day, so they were a steal, shall we say. And then I popped to the makeup beauty area, which was surprisingly big actually. They had loads of beauty. I didn't know that so many beauty products. They had lipsticks, eyeshadows, fake eyelashes, fake nails, literally everything you could ever desire. So I picked up some more beauty blenders. I do have a set of them before that you would have seen me using in my last video. I'll insert a link below for that video. It's the one where I did my makeup. So yeah, I got some more beauty blenders, as I find they're really, really helpful, but they do just get dirty quite quickly. But for £1.50 for two, yeah, if I have to go and get a new one every month, it's not the end of the world, is it? But yeah, I do find that they really apply your makeup so well, and it's kind of a even finish as well. So yeah, worth grabbing in Primark. Next up, I got some clothes. Now, I don't really go to Primark for clothes. I do quite like to buy staple pieces that are a little bit more expensive. But while I was in there, these two things caught my attention, and I had been looking for something similar for a while, so I grabbed them while I could and thought I would try them on. So the first thing is an oversized shirt. It's got like 3/4 length, well, not even 3/4 length actually, they're kind of just capped sleeves almost. It's got a little open bit at the front, but it doesn't button all the way down. So yeah, this was £10. Because it's oversized, I picked it up in a size 8. I kind of vary between an 8 and a 10. So I thought I would just kind of scale back a little bit on this, as I didn't want it to be like too big. So yeah, I'm excited to try that on. It'll be so nice like going into spring as well, and then into summer. And then to sort of go with that over the top, I picked up this really, really lovely jacket. It's a really lightweight kind of MAC, I don't know if you can see it, MAC jacket with like buttons on the sleeves and buttons here, and then a tie waist belt. I love the sort of structure of it, but it's still quite casual. I picked this up in a size 10, and it was £23, which I didn't think was too bad, especially because it's got this kind of like nipped in at the back. I thought that was really nice. It just looks, it looks like it should be a lot more expensive than it is. It's not as khaki as it's looking on here. It's a bit more taupey. Yeah, really, really pleased. So that brings us to the end of my haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. I wouldn't say I bought too many things in Primark today, but I definitely bought more than I would normally buy, and I'm really happy with everything that I bought, and I cannot wait to try them all on to see what they look like. In total I spent £70, which I didn't actually think was too bad. I thought that was a really good price, considering normally I'd maybe go to like another high street shop and spend a lot more on just the jacket alone, probably about £70 on the jacket alone. So when I saw that today, I was really, really pleased, and I really hope that it looks good. So yeah, I'm really pleased with what I purchased, and I hope that you enjoyed my haul and you are also inspired to now go to Primark and have a good rummage and see what you can find. Don't forget that I have videos now uploading every Thursday and Sunday. These are always going to be a mixture of home interiors, lifestyle, clothing and beauty. So to make sure you don't miss any of my videos, make sure you subscribe below, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next time guys, bye.